Infused with fresh mint leaves, steeped in coconut milk and soy milk, this mint chocolate chip ice cream has a delicate sweetness and refreshing mint flavor, perfectly complemented by a generous amount of dark chocolate drizzled throughout. Although it is made without egg yolks or dairy cream, it is incredibly creamy and indulgent. You won't miss the traditional ingredients. On a hot summer day, this refreshing and satisfying treat is sure to become one of your favorites. Give it a try! Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan mint chocolate chip ice cream. Place the ice cream maker bowl in the freezer for at least 24 hours to ensure it's completely frozen. Similarly, place the container for the finished ice cream in the freezer so that the ice cream won't melt quickly. Wash the fresh mint leaves thoroughly. In a saucepan, combine coconut milk, soy milk, sugar, and cornstarch. Over medium-low heat, keep stirring the mixture until it starts to simmer lightly. Stir constantly until the mixture thickens slightly for about 2 minutes. Add the fresh mint leaves, including the stems, and remove from the heat. Cover with a lid and steep for about 5 minutes. Strain the mixture through a sieve. Press the mint leaves to extract the mint flavor as much as possible. You can substitute the fresh mint leaves with half a teaspoon of mint extract, which is about 2 to 3 grams. Over ice bath, chill the mixture while stirring occasionally. Add a few drops of natural food coloring if you prefer. This time I added a few drops of blue color, which is made of spirulina, and green color, which is made of spirulina and turmeric. Pour the mixture into the ice cream maker bowl. Turn on the ice cream maker and let it run for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, slowly melt the dark chocolate over a double boiler or in a microwave. Once the mixture becomes the soft serve consistency, drizzle the melted chocolate while the ice cream machine is running. You can also add cacao nibs for extra nice crunch and deliciousness. Pour the ice cream into a frozen container. Freeze it for at least 6 hours to overnight. This ice cream can be kept in the freezer for up to a few months. I hope you enjoy making this delicious vegan mint chocolate chip ice cream and sharing it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.